In today's tutorial, we will explore how to add professional-looking borders to your Google Slides. Whether you're highlighting key points, framing images, or creating a cohesive design, borders are a versatile tool. Let's dive in. 1. Select the text box or shape. Click on the text box or shape that you want to frame with a border. Access the border options. In the top menu, click on Format, hover over Borders and Lines to reveal additional options. 2. Choose your border style. Select the type of border you want: solid line, a simple, continuous border; dashed line, a border with dashes; dotted line, a border with dots; custom line. Customize the border color, thickness, and style. 3. Adjust border color and thickness. Click on Border Color to choose a color. Use border weight to adjust the thickness of the border. 4. Apply the border. The border will be instantly applied to your selected text box or shape. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.